Today, we have some exciting news for all the Samsung fans out there. Samsung has just confirmed that their upcoming Galaxy S25 will come with top-of-the-line upgrades. Let's dive into what we can expect from this new flagship. Over the past 3 years, we've seen somewhat muted year-over-year hardware upgrades for the Galaxy S series. However, Samsung is ready to break that trend. During their latest earnings call with investors, the South Korean tech giant confirmed that the Galaxy S25, set to launch next year, will feature industry-leading specifications. In a rare move, Samsung has revealed some juicy details about the Galaxy S25. Daniel Arago, vice president of Samsung MX, stated during the second quarter earnings call that the S25 will come with top-of-the-line camera and display upgrades. He also confirmed that the phone will have an industry-best processor and memory, significantly boosting AI performance. Arago said, "We've consistently upgraded the hardware in our S series to deliver industry-leading experiences to customers, and we'll continue to enhance key experiences and upgrade hardware to offer top performance. For camera and display specs in particular, where we've been leading, the S25 at launch will have top-of-the-line upgrades. And we're also preparing industry-best APs and memory to boost AI performance and offer an overall premium experience." Rumors are swirling that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a major camera upgrade. We're talking about a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. That's a lot of megapixels and optical zoom options. Now, while the camera specifications of the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus haven't been revealed yet, we can expect them to be impressive as well. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, which includes Qualcomm's custom Oryon CPU cores. This chipset will be officially announced at the Snapdragon Summit 2024 event in October. As for the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus, they might use the Exynos 2500 processor in most countries. During the earnings call, Samsung mentioned the Exynos 2500 chipset, confirming it months before its launch. This shows how confident they are about the performance of their new processor. Samsung is also working with Google to improve the context of AI conversations. Arano hinted that Samsung aims to understand the context of conversations better and provide a more natural conversation experience across their devices. This could mean big things for the integration of AI in the Galaxy S25 series. In line with this AI push, Samsung recently announced its plans to acquire Oxford Semantic Technologies, a UK-based AI firm that specializes in knowledge graphs. These are extremely important in the AI segment, and this acquisition shows that Samsung is serious about leading in AI technology. So it's almost confirmed that Samsung is working hard to improve the AI experience, camera quality, display performance, and overall performance of the Galaxy S25 series. It's an exciting time for Samsung fans, and we can't wait to see what the Galaxy S25 will bring to the table. With these top-of-the-line upgrades, the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated releases of the year. The combination of cutting-edge hardware and enhanced AI capabilities is sure to deliver an unparalleled user experience. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on these confirmed upgrades for the Galaxy S25? Are you excited about the new cameras and AI improvements? Let me know in the comments section. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to stay updated with all the latest tech news, make sure to hit that notification bell. See you in the next video. We've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. it might just be two. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yedon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.